Let me share something honestly. Most people do not struggle because they do not believe in manifestation. They struggle because they feel alone in it. You start with hope. You try to stay consistent, but then life happens. Emotions, responsibilities, doubts, and you go downhill. I have watched this happen to so many sincere people. That's why for 2026, I felt called to create something different so that we don't get stuck in the same cycle and feel helpless. Not another short term motivation, but a space that walks with you through the year. Something that reminds you that you're supported, you're guided, and you're not doing this alone. This journey is about alignment, not pressure. About returning to yourself again and again. About allowing abundance to feel safe and natural. It's not about forcing positivity, but about building a relationship with life with trust and faith. If you have been asking for a sign, then this isn't an urgency. It's a heartfelt welcome, an invitation that let 2026 be the year where you feel held and not worried, supported and not struggling. Because I will be walking this path with you. Watch this video carefully and take action if you feel aligned with it.
For what we are doing for the first time ever. Many of you have been associated with me for decades now. But for the first time ever, we are doing 365 days ka marathon. That is 2026, we here have decided to make you unstoppable. How? So, first of all, as I said at the start, we at the Secluded Truth and Abundant Lives Academy, we never promise overnight results. कि छू मंतर आप एक चीज कर लो हो जाएगा. We completely understand the importance of step-by-step work, consistent work. When you join gym, does it happen? First day you go and pick up a dumbbell of 1 kilo, and by the day you reach day 10, you pick up a dumbbell of 10 kgs. No, no. You do step-by-step actions. So you have to release old patterns that kept you stuck. You have to rewire your subconscious identity. You have to align your energy with your desired reality. Take micro actions because remember, चट्टान या पत्थर है तोड़ना मुश्किल होता है, but a drop of water falling at the same place on a rock creates a hole in the rock. That is how you create your reality, by simple but consistent steps on a daily basis. Many a times people keep on complaining, I don't have time, I cannot do this, I want to do it, I know I will get results from it, but I don't have time. What if I tell you I just need 15 to 30 minutes, sometimes longer, because when we do live sessions, mind you, I promise live session of 1 hour, but they go on for 1.5 से 2 घंटा minimum. So live sessions will take time, but otherwise, if you give me just 15 to 30 minutes of your daily life, I can make this journey unstoppable for you. Are you ready to become unstoppable? Show me dancing thumbs. Yes? So let me show you how. First time ever membership में इसके पहले, because मेरे लिए भी बहुत बड़ी commitment है. We keep on doing so many workshops, so committing only to one kind of activity is really difficult for me. But here we are because you demanded it. So now we have created a cluster of different workshops. The first in it is our very flagship course, the signature course, 30-day reality recreation challenge. Last year we did not conduct this one. Why? Because we were busy upgrading it, and secondly, it requires lot of time on my part, because this is not DIY workshop कि आपको सिर्फ वीडियोस दे दिया और आप करते बैठो. We here have thought-provoking assessments. Every day you answer at least 15 से लेके 50, depending on what topic we are discussing that day, questions about your life, about your subconscious, to understand and rewire your reality. So we will be, this is one of the first course that we will be doing, that is 30 days reality recreation challenge, where it will be a continuous marathon to complete unblocking your blockages, your subconscious belief system. And here when we have 6 eye-opening live sessions, as I said, I promise for 1 hour minimum, but they never last for 1 hour, they go longer, because यहाँ पे क्या होता है, हम डेली आपसे इंटरैक्ट करते हैं थ्रू व्हाट्सएप, either personal chat or group chat or community chat, and there we go deeper every day on a topic in your life. Then this course is something which is totally new. This is not we have ever conducted. This is the new design course which we are launching in this manifestation mastery bundle, that is फाइनेंशियल फ्रीडम फाउंडेशन. अभी सबसे बड़ा, जब हम कहते हैं मुझे लाइफ में अबंडेंस चाहिए, सुख चाहिए, व्हाट कम्स टू फर्स्ट इन द माइंड? मनी. इज देयर एनीवन ओवर हियर हु थिंक्स, ओ आई डोंट नीड मनी इन लाइफ, मनी इज नथिंग, हाथ का मैल है कोई ऐसा? हाथ ऊपर करो. मनी हाथ का मैल है, मुझे नहीं चाहिए पैसा, बहुत पैसा नहीं चाहिए, मेरा बैंक अकाउंट नंबर शेयर करूंगी, प्लीज ट्रांसफर ऑल द मनी टू मी इफ यू डोंट वांट इट. आई एम हैप्पी टू टेक, मुझे दे दो, आपकी सारे पैसे मुझे दे दो, मैं आपकी मुसीबत झेल लूंगी. So this is Financial Freedom Foundation, where first of all we understand, and remember, this is not 21-day affirmation challenge, manifestation bundle wale. This is not something which you have already done, because this is the first time we are doing this questionnaire, this meditation, this journaling pattern. This is completely new. So here we will be going deeper into your individual money story, your individual money relationship, rewire your money identity, calculate the cost of your excuses, in the sense आप postpone कर रहे हो, procrastinate कर रहे हो, lethargy कर रहे हो, उसके वजह से आपका financial नुकसान कितना हो रहा है, because you are not making decisions. And then break free from scarcity conditioning, so that you completely rewire and rebuild your relationship with money. That is this second course. Then the third course, you said Dipti visualization का course लेके आओ, चलो वो भी लेके आ गए. So this again we are doing, where you will become a visualization master. You will, by the time you complete this course, all of you who have problem visualization, Dipti मुझे दिखता नहीं है, imagine नहीं करते आता, I cannot think what to do. So this is the course for you, because even science has proved it. If you can think it, you can make it. Your mind doesn't know the difference between reality and imagination. If you can imagine it, you can manifest it. This is the third course that you will get. Then this is again our signature program, where you will be getting 30 days morning jump start. 30 दिन you'll get meditation from us. Of course, each meditation is built upon each other, so that by the time you have completed 30 days, your mindset will change. Now remember, that is why this is 1 year membership. ये 4 भारी कोर्स आप एक महीने में तो कर नहीं सकते हो. We have to keep it repeating and doing a different amount of time. And these are not DIY. Don't worry. We are not going to just give you access and say, अरे बाप रे, वो कर लो, 1 साल तक के कोर्स खुद कर लो, हम लोग तो कुछ नहीं, हम बैठ के देखेंगे. We will be walking the step with you in each of these 4 courses. We strongly believe, as I told you at the beginning, we believe in energy work. So what we will be doing is, we will be catching on the moon energy. Entire cycle of moon is magical, but 2 days are very important, that is new moon and full moon. We all, especially women, are ruled very strongly by moon. So what we are going to do is, we are going to do 24 rituals, that is on each full moon and new moon. So twice a month, we will be doing these rituals, so that we can utilize the energy of the moon and channel it into our manifestation. So another easy technique, just has to be done properly. Then this is something personalized. On your birthday, you will be getting a personalized, this is not a common thing, as per your birth date and your age. You will be getting a personalized birthday ritual, a channel message from the universe, as well as the guidance theme for the year for you. What is because birthdays are very important manifestation portal. If you are not aware, please note this down. If you are aware of your birth time, तो जो समय आप पैदा हुए वहां से लेके आगे के 24 घंटे, that is 24 hours from your birth time, are very crucial because that is literally your manifestation portal. Each year it happens without doubt. What about physical bonuses? In 2020 we launched our first calendar and since then it has become bestseller. So physically you will get a copy of our calendar, and this time the theme, as you know, is abundance. Then there are special abundance passbook and checkbook. So this kit you will also include abundance passbook and checkbook, which will help you to make your desire into reality. So this passbook, जैसे जैसे आप, we will teach you also. It's not just that passbook और checkbook देंगे, हम आपको सिखाएंगे भी कि checkbook कैसे भरना है, ये passbook कैसे भरना है, so that you can manifest. So it is like a hidden course with the passbook and checkbook. Then there is Pyrite, energized Pyrite coin. Pyrite के बारे में तो सुना ही होगा. आजकल जो भी एनर्जी वर्क में, it's not possible you must have not heard about Pyrite coin. So here you get physically actually energized. Yes, we will energize the Pyrite coin. We are not just giving it to you market से खरीद के just like that. We will energize the Pyrite coin and we will send it across. Then physical checkbook तो मैंने कही आपके साथ में. You will also get 5 energy circles, laminated energy circles, which you can use on daily basis to manifest. This specifically curated energy circles are for manifestation purpose, for abundance. Again energized. So ये 5 चीजें हैं, ये किट आपके घर पे डिलीवर होगा. Yet do you want more? Last time when we taught you on new moon about switch words, you were demanding switch words. इसके लिए कौन सा switch word है, उसके लिए कौन सा switch word है. So here we are. We will give you access to our switch word course which we have already created, जिसमें 100+ switch words and energy course already है. All you need to do is, आपको परेशान होने की जरूरत नहीं है, रात को 12 बजे हमको मैसेज डालने की जरूरत नहीं है, give me switch word for this. We keep on updating it. ऐसा नहीं है कि इतने ही हैं. Every time if someone comes up with some new demand, we update it on the course and put it. So here is a switch word and healing codes bundle. All you need to do is go to the website and check what is your problem, और उसके सामने जो switch word लिखा है या जो energy code लिखा है आपको यूज करना है. Same goes with energy circle. एंड टाइम पे आप मांगते रहते हो, स्पेशली द पॉपुलर एनर्जी सर्कल इज फॉर मेड नहीं है, मुझे मेड के लिए एनर्जी सर्कल दो. सो वी हैव क्रिएटेड दिस अनदर बंडल वेयर यू हैव 60+ energy circles with you. What you have to do is just go to the website and check. You can take screenshot of it or print it out and start using it. You can even use the 3-finger method. अच्छा, आप पूछोगे ये एनर्जी कोड या स्विच वर्ड हमने कैसे यूज करना है. सम ऑफ यू माइट बी रेयर बट सम ऑफ यू माइट बी न्यू टू इट. हाउ टू यूज इट? अगेन इट इज इंक्लूडेड, it is over there. You already how to use it videos are there for you. And plus don't forget, this is not DIY. We are there to guide you, to help you. So you can always ask, how do I use it? How do I use this one? Which one I can use? We are there for you. Then this is my most powerful meditation series I had taken when there used to be live before COVID time. मैं लाइव वर्कशॉप, फिजिकल वर्कशॉप लेती थी. दिस वॉज वेरी पॉपुलर मेडिटेशन सीरीज ऑफ माइंड, इन्वोकिंग द ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन विद इन, वेयर 15-20 people we used to sit together and do this meditation during morning time. But कोविड के बाद से ऑनलाइन शिफ्ट हो गए हम लोग. So this is another signature program of mine which is being included over here. And the last one is Life Vision Journal. विदाउट जर्नलिंग जर्नी कैसे कंप्लीट होती है? ऑलरेडी वी आर जर्नलिंग बिफोर. जो 4 सिग्नेचर कोर्सेस है उसमें यू विल बी डूइंग लॉट ऑफ जर्नलिंग, बट दिस जर्नल पर्टिकुलरली इज अबाउट क्रिएटिंग योर लाइफ by creating a daily structure day by day. So you will be creating short-term goals, you will be creating long-term goals and progressing. So it has also अभी की goal short-term, 1 महीने में क्या अचीव करना है, 3 साल में क्या अचीव करना है. So it helps you to plan your life completely. So technically speaking, the entire worthiness of this entire program is 1,25,000. But this is year end, right? And I said I want 50 people. My target is transforming 50 lives. Already we have converted 25 plus people. We have few more sets left. So what I am offering over here is something priceless. That is, I said, I want you to be in personal touch with me. So here you will be getting the student of week opportunity, where for a week you will be interacting with me personally on WhatsApp. इसका क्या कीमत लगाओगे? I charge normally 3,000 to 5,000 per session of an hour. And here I am giving you opportunity to communicate with me on WhatsApp for entire week. So I think that is priceless. So you'll be getting personal guidance from me. So अगर मैं summarize करूँ ये पूरा journey, what all you will be getting 5 courses. And please remember, these are not digital courses. That is okay. We have given you access. Digital bonuses are different. These are courses you will be doing ongoing with us, with our support completely. Which additionally 5 physical bonuses, which I explained to you, 4 digital bonuses, 1 year of mentoring with me completely, personal attention, 50 plus meditations, 24 plus rituals, 200 plus self-reflection questions, 60 plus journaling prompts, and personalized birthday blessing. So all of this you will be getting because of the year-end thing, only 9,999. That is, if we break it down, it's only 833 per month. इतना तो आप कॉफी पे भी चले जाओगे, आपकी कॉफी डेट इतना कॉस्ट करती है, इससे ज्यादा कॉस्ट कर देती है, राइट? सो दिस is what we are offering for the very first time. So, but we want only serious takers. I don't like it if you're going to just take the course because you have the funds and you are just going to disappear. I want only serious takers. So those of you who are very serious and determined and who want to transfer their life, who truly want to become unstoppable, they can join us and we will make sure you become unstoppable. So who is serious here about becoming unstoppable? Please go ahead and register yourself.